Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to fix pin comment not showing problem on TikTok, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to fix pin comment not showing problem on TikTok. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this issue. First of all, open TikTok app from your mobile phone. Click on the profile icon in the right bottom. Now you have to click on three lines at top right. Here you have to choose settings and privacy option from the bottom. Now you have to scroll down and open report a problem option. After this you have to again scroll down and choose submit a report option from the bottom. Here you can describe your problem. For example, I am going to write I am missing my pin comment feature on my TikTok videos. Please fix this issue. Now you have to click on submit to submit your report. Your problem will be resolved within a week. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.